Fine, go to designer. So today we are going to discuss about SCD type 1.
Okay.
So what is meant by SCD type 1? So we have to maintaining only current data. So whatever data we have in the source, the same data we want to fetch into target. So let us assume I have a source 10,000 records. The very first time I want to load into target, we are loading all the data. From next time onwards, we have to get some updates in the source table, or we have to add few more additional rows. We are inserting new records as well as updated data. So now what are the new records along with updated data I want to fetch with target. So how to load. So this is the main use of SCD type. Only current data we want to load into target table. So the requirements will come incremental load. Only today's data. So until yesterday I have loaded all the data into the target, but today I want to fetch only today's data. How to fetch? So for that we have to think about SCD type 1. So by using SCD type 1 we have to maintaining only current records. This is called type 1. And type 3 means current, latest, previous one. Current as well as latest, previous one. And type 2 current all the historical data, both current as well as historical data. So these are the three topics we have. So we'll start with SCD type 1. So we have to maintain all the current data. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Who all are there in the session today? Rishna and Ravi. Okay, fine. Go to mapping designer, Ravi. Go to source analyzer, sources. So we have to keep department table. Clear all? Clear all? Two tables. Right click, clear all. Come out. Not in the table name. Table on table. Come out, yes. Now you can place it source table. DEPT table. Already we have under source Scott, under sources Scott, department table. So why it's not coming? No, cancel. You can disconnect again, you can connect it. It won't come. Disconnect. First wait. Yes, we have source analyzer. Then go to target designer. So we have to create targets. As of now, we have done manually. But SCD type 1, type 2, type 3, we can go for manual or automated generated also. Fine, go to target designer. So we can clear all this table. and add source table, the same source table in the target. Replace, don't give rename, and edit the table. Add one field. Now go to like place it in the top. Give name primary key. Caps, and data type should be number. And in the key type, you can select primary key. You can remove for department number. First, you can change top right side. No, that is fine. Change the key type first. Can change the key type. No key, not a key. Then you can disable. Yes, but first one you can give primary key. Key type should be primary key. The first port. First port. Primary key. The key type also primary key. That is data type, not a key type. Apply. Okay. Now we have to generate and execute in the database. Click on targets and generate execute. Last second, last second, last second. So wait, we have to provide all the details, right? Username, password, DWH underscore TCT. Okay, fine. Now it's generated. Go to database, can check it. Table, DEPT table, or give the name different name, DEPT underscore type 1 or something. No, first you can go to target designer, sorry, target database. You can write the query select start from DEPT. Like this. Target database. Write the query select start from DEPT. See, we have only structure. Now check it in the source. Fine, we have data. Go to designer, mapping designer. Now we want to load whatever source data we have in the source, the same data I want to load into target. Go to mapping designer. Any name. So now we have test, source qualifier, target. So what are the steps we have to follow for that? So if we are loading into target the very first time we are loading all the data, the next time onwards, if we are getting updates or inserting new records, how we came to know whether this data is already existed in the target table or not. So I want to compare it. How to compare it? For that we are using lookup. So after source qualifier you can paste it lookup. So what do people are doing?
So now I need to place the lookup.
Yes, fine. You can close it. You can close the mapping.
Close the mapping.
Yeah, you can't do that one. It's take time. Close.
Yeah.
So no need to generate manually. We have to go for automated. Click on
Okay.
mapping. Click on mappings.
Okay.
The last second one, wizards. Slowly changing dimension. Second one. Click. So we have to give the
Type one.
mapping name. Yes, mapping name. M underscore type one.
Okay.
So we have wait. Select type one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah.
And then you have to select with department table. Source. It's asking source table. DEPT table. Where is the department table? DEPT.
Department. Scott department.
Yes. And target table you have to provide which kind, like what is the target table name?
DEPT underscore T. DEPT name. DEPT ID.
Yes.
Click next.
Yeah. DEPT already there. You can give like DEPT underscore type one. The name already
Okay.
created. Again you have to give same name.
Okay.
And logical key field is department number. Select add. First one. First one. The rest of two last one. You can select both. These two compare fields. Finish. Right click. Right
Right
click.
click.
Right click. Right click.
Yeah, right click only. Oh, right click. Okay.
Yes. Arrange all icons. Come down some part.
What?
See, these are the this is our mapping, automated generated SCD type 1. So we are using source is department table and then source qualifier and then we are using lookup. So after lookup, what is the use of lookup first of all? So in the lookup transformation, we have to choose only target table. The same target table which we are using, target table we are using through lookup. So we have to compare with source. If there is any updates will come, we'll catch up all the stuff from source qualifier to lookup by using comparing fields. And if there is no updated, only inserted data, we have to add inserting new data. Those records directly from source qualifier to expression we are fetching. Only updated data we are receiving from lookup and fresh data we are receiving from source qualifier to expression. Now arrange all.
Right click, arrange all.
Arrange all here. Come down here. Fine. So what is the common field from both source qualifier and lookup? Department number. We are adding department number, we are connecting, it's a logical key field, and then we are providing condition. Go to ports. After providing conditions, we have two output ports. One is for updating and other one is for inserting. Edit expression transformation.
Edit. Ports.
Ports. See, we have previous dname, previous location, current dname, current location. And changed flag, new flag. Changed flag means updated, new flag means inserted. Okay. So if it is a new record, if we are getting new record from source to source qualifier, so what is the expression? What is the condition? You can edit the condition. You can read out what is the condition for insert.
If not is null, primary key and decode dname in decode dname comma pm underscore free
This is not
dname.
this is not for insert. I'm talking about insert. Check it which one is insert, which one is update.
Insert is new flag, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. If is null, primary key, true, false.
If is null
Is
of
null,
primary key, if it's a null, if there is no value, if we are inserting any data, we are going to insert. It means it's a true.
okay,
If it's not a new record, it's a false.
false. Okay.
So like that, we are segregating the data insert and update. And the second one, update.
Update is which one?
First one, change flag.
First one. Okay. Change. Is not is null.
If
I mean to say, if
not is
primary key
null
is
of,
there
yeah,
and primary key is there and decode of dname underscore previous dname.
okay.
Dname versus previous dname. If it is equals, I think it is 1, else 0.
Fine. If not is null of primary key. If it's not a primary key, like null, it's not a null. So
It's not a,
we have to compare with, we have two compared
yeah,
fields. One is dname location.
yeah,
So
dname location.
decode of dname comma previous DNAME. Both, if we have any updates, update means 1.
Okay.
And if there is no update, whatever data we have, the same data if you want to insert, 0. So same data, there is no change. And finally, equal to 0 means either update or there is no change in data. Finally, I want to insert all the data. Even though in the second field, location, comma, previous location, both are same, it's get updated. If it's not, it won't load any data. Okay. So finally, we are
Okay.
providing true, comma, false. If these
Yeah.
conditions are matched, it's going to insert. If it's not,
It won't.
yes. So that is called lookup. Okay.
Okay.
And the next one is
Next one. Next one is
which transformation?
this one.
Filter
Transformation.
transformation. Close it, this window. Next, we are going to segregate two parts. One is only insert, the other one is only for update. Insert means only inserting new records. So we are receiving data from source qualifier to first filter and only insert, close it this one. Only new flag we are receiving from expression. Apart from this, we are receiving all the data from source. Even though second filter, this first filter only insert new records. How about second filter? So we are going to update all the updated data.
Okay.
Edit second filter. But here also change flag we are receiving from expression. And then two update strategy transformations. One is for only insert, the second one is for update. So why we are using two?
Why we are using two? Because we wanted to know there are two conditions in the expression.
Correct. One is insert, the other one is update. So I want to
Okay.
perform both the operations. I want to insert as well as update both. So dd underscore insert, dd underscore update. And we have the second table primary key. We are connecting with the target table, but first table we don't have. So we are adding one more transformation called sequence generator. From sequence generator to target, we are connecting with next value. Next value nothing but a sequence. Okay. So this is called SCD type 1. You can save it.
Save it.
Control S.
Invalid. It says invalid mapping.
File. Go up. Up means in the output window. What is the reason?
Yes.
How to identify? What is the how to find out? Output window. Click on that output. Yeah.
This one.
Go up. Where you are.
I am in the save. It says
You have to check it. Entire thing. So why it's invalid?
okay. Target is inserted, updated, no others. Type 1, no others. Type 1 is valid. This one is valid. DPT SCD is invalid. Because of a different mapping name?
Hmm. Mapping name doesn't matter. So which name you have given? Mapping name. See, this is not your mapping,
Uh,
right? DPT SCD,
yeah,
right? We can change it.
yeah.
This is different mapping, that is different. No, in the drop
Okay.
down only we have, right? Why you are creating again?
Yeah.
In the drop down in the mapping
No.
name,
mm,
you can select. This is different. Go to type
Different.
1, that is type 3.
Yeah. This is type 1.
This is fine. Our mapping is valid. The previous one is invalid.
Okay. I should save this one.
Yeah, already it's saved. Don't worry. You can leave it.
Okay.
Go to workflow manager.
Then
Okay.
close the workflow. Thank you.
No, you can place it. You have to create workflow, right? How to create workflow?
Workflow. Yeah. Create task. Yes. Underscore.
M underscore type 1.
Yeah.
Create.
Deliver mapping is. Um,
No, no, no need to select truncate option. Not required. Only
okay.
bulk and database connection.
Okay. I have given only one target here. I'm seeing two target tables.
Copy paste, right? You are given to. And one more thing, lookup also. Lookup also we are choosing target table. Wait, done.
Yeah. Lookup. Okay. In lookup. So
In the top only relational connection we have, right? You have to select.
but it is disabled.
You can
I need
select
to use
use on.
a.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, right?
Mm.
Okay.
Then save it. Then you can run the job.
Okay.
So what is the issue? The table does not exist. So you have created one target table, but it's not
But
generated into database. So go to target designer. So what is the target table name? This is not the target table name. This is not target table name. So which is the target given name? Go to designer.
uh,
You can check with target table name.
it is actually uh, DEPT type 1.
The same name. Already we have in the targets. You can drag and drop. No need to change the name. Cancel. Go to
Okay.
targets. It's already there, right? dpt underscore typhon. Then generate.
Yeah. Now it is succeeded.
Yes, so we have 8 records in the source, the same data we are loading into target. You can go and check it in the database now. Now we are loading.
Yeah.
Now again you can run the job second time. So what is the output?
Output is 0
So because of,
because there are no added records.
correct, we are not inserting, we are not updating, so that it's a 0. And third one, go to source table, you can update some data,
Source table.
DEPT table, EMP table, where is it?
DPT table.
Double click on DEPT. So just change it, any, yeah, add new record, that's fine. And
And you want me to add
commit,
another record?
not required, commit.
Yeah,
Now,
committed already.
now again you can run the job. We have ordered only one record.
Yeah, one record is applied.
See, only second flow is 0.
Second flow is 0. Yeah,
Yeah,
I can check in the database.
yeah.
But I didn't get marketing in type 1.
Go down.
Yeah, it is at the top.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So if you can update only update the data. Go to table.
Go to table to
Yeah,
update the data.
only table.
Source table,
No, in the last one, DPT we have, right? In the top, DPT, top.
DPT. Yeah, source DPT, right?
Yes.
So now we need to update
Only update the DNAME and location. DNAME location. Any two records you
only
can
DNAME.
update.
Okay.
That is one record. You can go for second record.
Okay.
Now we can commit enough. 2 records is fine. Or commit, not adding.
Yeah.
Fine. Now we can run the job.
Yeah. Okay. That.
See, there is no new records, only updated records. We are loading through first flow. The second flow, we are not fetching any data.
Yeah.
So this is the way we have to use SCD type 1.
Okay.
Rishma, any question? Rishma, any questions you have? Fine.
Uh, actually, we can do it through manual as well, right? This is automatic, right? Wizard
Yes.
using wizard.
Yes, yes. So try it manual today. Okay?
I okay.
You can try it manual.
You want me to start now?
You can do offline. The
Offline.
same
Okay.
same thing. You have to go for manual. The same
Manual. Okay.
transformation, same logic you can apply. Arishna, you can also try it. If you are facing any issues, just let me know.
Okay. Sure. So basically, in the type one, we get the current data
Yes,
and load into the target.
correct.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow we'll do SCD type 3.
Type three. Okay. Sure. That's fine.
Fine. Okay guys then. Thank you. Thank you.